Got a little story to say about my precious wife sitting back there. I gave her a rough time before we was married. I tried to make up for it after we was married. And I didn't know whether I wanted to be married again or not. And so she got all broke up, and I thought she was too good a girl just to leave go, let some good man marry her that'd take care of her. I thought I even wasn't worthy of it, and I am not, of her kindness anyhow. So she was all tore up, didn't know what to do. This has been years ago, about 20 years ago. She got so tore up, she started crying day and night, and I was trying to break away from her. Not because I didn't love her, because I didn't want to take her time. Because let her find somebody, some good person, because she's too good a girl just to let go like that. And me just go with her and things like that. And I thought she loved me, and I know I loved her. So then I thought, well, I'll get a date with some other girl and go out and make her feel bad about it. Now I killed her. I hated it awful bad, Edward. She got all broke up. I told her. I said, you're too good a girl. I don't want to take your time like that. And she said, but I just love you, Bill, and that's the only one I can love. So I've always loved you. I said, I appreciate that, but I said, you know, I'm a hermit. I said, I'm just going to live like a hermit. See, I ain't going to get married at all. And she was so set on it, she, oh, poor little fella. And she went out to the shed, and she got out there, and she got out on her knees, and she said, Lord, I don't know what to do. I don't want to disobey you, and yet I love Bill. I don't know what to do. Lord, will you just give me a little bit of consolation? Will you just help me a little bit? I never did ask you this before in my life, Lord, and I hope I never have to ask you again, she said. But if you just help me, and let me open up this Bible, and you give me a scripture. I've heard people say you did that. Once you open it up, it's Malachi 4. Behold, I give send unto you Elijah the prophet. Before that certainly is Lord. She said, I got up and married you, as well satisfied as we go get married as anything.